let's take a look at how to use the parking brake on the Honda Odyssey. So I am parked on a hill at the moment, and the first thing, of course, you're going to want to put it into park. So I've done that already. And now I'm going to look over to the left of the steering wheel, and that's where I'm going to see the parking brake down here. And this is the parking brake button. It's almost like a little, almost like toggle switch type of format. Now, you would think I would pull it towards me. Actually, to switch it on, you're going to push it away. So push it down like that, and you're going to see down here on the steering column that brake comes on. Now our parking brake is set. Take our foot off of the brake down here, and we're good to go. We're parked. Now, if we're going to leave, we want to, of course, put our foot on the brake pedal first, pushing down here. And then we're going to go back over to this. And in this case, we're going to pull up, and that's going to disable our parking brake. And then we could put it into reverse or forward or whatever we want to do and be able to drive out of there. So that's how we use the parking brake.